4,500. 4,500. 4,500. Guy, how far?
Papa, now I just say make I arrange something for us a bit.
You dey arrange something for us?
If I for finish myself, but you see, I can't delay. I say make I finish something.
Since from the gate, I can't see they use gas. I say, my guy, they use. Wetin they cook? You see, they even smell good. Wetin they cook? Jesus!
At least I just dey say make I arrange for us.
Beans!
No see, I go finish now myself.
Beans!
There is God. Oh.
In this time, you are using beans. You are using gas. My gas, 4,500 to boil beans.
Hey!
To cook beans.
I hear me, me, by me.
Guy, if not be seen and you, another person no fit do me this. In this time, are you not feeling the heat of what is happening? In this time, you are using gas to boil beans, to cook beans. Is it not because of you I bought chapel? Now only my God will go punish you. Now my village people they send you to just come provoke you. You know, finish this thing here. They know they cook beans with gas again until when we see another change. You dey look for my trouble for this house. You dey look for my trouble for this house. Next time, the only thing we go use gas cook for this for this time now only Indomie and you cannot cook beans again.